Lesson 49. Linear intercepts. We have here the Cartesian system with two different lines with different slopes. I'm going to call it line 1 and line 2. And we're going to ask you to find the equation for this line. The problem is that sometimes these lines, they don't intersect with y where you can be able to see it. So we have to solve it algebraically to find the equation of this line, y equals mx plus b, and this line, y equals mx plus b. So from the graph, first thing you need to locate your slope. We can't do the y-intercept because this is gonna maybe go all the way up and we can't be able to find it. So we have to do it algebraically. So first thing you need to locate your m. From the graph here, you're going to look for that perfect right triangle to see the rise over 1. So here we have going 3 units up and 1 unit to the right. So my slope here is going to be 3 to 1 because I'm going 3 units up and 1 unit to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 1 to the right. The second step we're going to do is to find another point to locate B, which is your y-intercept. Even you can get it from here. Here 3 points and one to the right, your slope. So I'm going to pick this point here, which is on my x-axis, and this point is this point here, -9, 0. So on the standard form, I'm going to put y as my 0, m is my 3, x is -9, and here's b. So b0 equals -27 plus b. That means b equals 27. So the equation for this line will be y equals m is 3, x plus 27. That means if I continue with this line, it's going to intersect with b at point 27. Let's do another one here. My slope here is going 1 up and kind like 2, so I'm going to do going 1, 2, 3, and going 1. So I'm going 3 up and 1 to the right. So m is, again, 3 over 1, which is 3. I'm going to pick this point here, which is 9, 0. Y equals mx plus b. Y is 0 equals m is 3, x, which is 9, plus b. So b is going to be -27. That means if I continue with this line down, it's going to intersect with y at number -27, at point -27. So that would be y equals m 3 x minus 27. Sometimes we give you the formula or the equation for a line, y equals 3x plus b. I'm giving you the slope as 3. And I give you one point, which is negative 6 comma 6, and I'm going to ask you to find the y-intercept. So you're going to take the 6, which is your y, plug it back here. You have m, your slope is 3. Negative 6, you're going to plug it in x, so that would be 6 equals 3, negative 6 plus b. 6 equals negative 18 plus b, so your b is actually 24. So this line, the ones passing through the point negative 6, 6 is going to intersect at point 24. The second part of this lesson will be dealing with some geometry. And we're going to talk about transversal. 49b. Transversals. I have two lines that they are parallel to each other, and they're being cut by transversal. We have angle here and this angle, they're gonna be congruent to each other. So if I construct here a triangle where this one here is 8, one of the sides is 8, and it's a right triangle, and I know the measurement of this angle is 35, and you are been asked to find x, which is your hypotenuse from this point to this point. Since we have these two parallel lines and we have transversal, that means they have the same interior angles. That means this angle here is congruent to this angle. Therefore, this angle will be 35 degrees. So here we have now a right triangle with 35 degrees. I know the opposite of my angle, which is 8, and I'm asked to find x, which is my hypotenuse. Which function of trigonometry I can find? I have opposite and hypotenuse.
Pythagorean theorem.
No.
Sine, cosine, or
Sine with cosine. Which one I have to choose?
Sine.
Sine. Sine of 35 equals 8 over x. Denominator here is 1. Cross multiply. That means x sine of 35 equals 8. Divide both sides by sine 35. X equals 8 over sine of 35. And the answer would be 13.94. For most cases, we round up to the nearest hundreds. And that's all for lesson 49.